So again, this is that one that was on the test that y'all had trouble with. Just because it's adding doesn't mean it's constructive. Constructive means they're the same wave, and when you add them, they get bigger. Destructive means they're opposite waves. When you add them, they get smaller. One is a negative wave. The other is a positive wave. So positive to positive, that'd be a positive wave. That's a normal wave that you would expect. Negative to negative, that's a negative wave. It's the opposite of what I'd expect. So if I add these two crests, positive 1 and negative 1, I get 0. If I add these two, this negative 1 trough to this positive 1 crest, I get 0. Positive 1 crest to negative 1 trough, I get 0. So this is destructive interference because they cancel each other out. The other option would be constructive interference. That would be where you have two positive waves that add together. That would look like this. Notice these waves are the same. So again, here's my equilibrium. Positive 1, positive 1. Negative 1, negative 1. Positive 1, positive 1. What do I get when I add positive 1 and positive 1? I get positive 2. What do I get? Negative 1, negative 1. Negative 2. What do I get? Positive 1, positive 1. And I would get something like this. See how much larger that is? They added together to get a larger wave. They added together to get a smaller wave. That's the difference between constructive and destructive. Okay? And since we're here, let's just do 55 and 56 real quick.